Hey Mike, it's Austin at Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I just wanted to take a quick minute and show you that F450 Lariat you'd expressed some interest in. This one's got the 360-degree camera, obviously, like I said, the spray-in bed liner, gooseneck prep pack, along with the gooseneck ball. All these 450s come with a 19.5-inch wheel wrapped in Continental rubber. One thing I like about this one as well, it's got the extended running boards, so the running boards most of the time go from the cab back, but these actually go back kind of towards the bed. Really pretty truck, Oxford white, four-wheel drive, obviously. Let you look in the bed here. It's got the LED box lighting. Also has the tailgate step there. It's also got your blind spot monitors there. Let you take a look at the inside here. Black interior, leather, heated and cooled seats, 360-degree camera. It's got your upfitter switches up there. Got your spotlights on your side mirrors, which is cool. Power adjustable mirrors. Let's take a peek inside here as well. Massive room in the back. These seats flip up. There's storage down here. This is lockable, so nobody can get into it while your seat's down. If you got any questions, man, just give me a shout. We got no dealer fees and no documentation fees. We're at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky. Give us a call. My name's Austin. Thanks.